Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6a and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is basically required, so your device will be able to search for any kind of updates, and then let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. And right now your device is checking for any kind of available updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. So the first one is right in front of you. You can see that the software is up to date, there's nothing to download, so you can be sure that everything is fine and you have nothing to download. And the second scenario which you can meet is that you've got any kind of update to download, so your device will show you the name of the update, of course, what has been fixed, what has been added, so overall the information about the update, and you will be able to simply tap on download or update and your device will apply it to your software. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.